Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to swap crypto in Trust Wallet account. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter yourself a passcode. Now at this home page, at the bottom side, you can see swap option. You need to tap on that. And you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now here you can choose the crypto that you want to swap with. For this video, I will go for the first one, BTC. Again, you'll be led to this kind of interface, and there you can see swap option. You can simply tap on that. And once again, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now here are two options, from and to. The to section is already chosen, but in order to change the crypto from the from section, you can simply tap on that. And here you can choose the crypto according to your preference. After that, you can simply enter the balance. And after the whole process is done, and if you have sufficient balance, then you'll be able to swap the crypto. But currently I don't have sufficient balance, so I cannot see those options. But this is how you can swap crypto in your Trust wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.